Hi, this is Ryan from Now You Know, and for today's Did You Know, we're going to go over how to insert a Google Calendar on your website. Google Calendar is actually an awesome tool for efficiently editing a calendar on your website. Let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. One of the biggest questions that Now You Know subscribers have is, how can I add my own calendar to my website? Many doctors with Now You Know actually will create their own calendars, which they save as an image file and send in a change request in order to update on their website every month. However, there's a much easier way to do this, and it's actually more of a automatic method that makes it possible for you to change a calendar and have it automatically and instantly display on your website. For this service, we use Google Calendar at www.google.com/calendar. Now what you can do here is, if you have a Google account, you will be able to create one of your calendars. You'll most likely have a calendar already created for you by default. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to sign up in order to create a calendar. So what this does is, when you go to Google Calendar, you'll have this main display of days of the week with your different events going on that you've already inserted. I can't really show you much on how to use the Google Calendar. You'll need to use the Google Help Guides in order to do this. But what I'm going to show you is how to take that Google Calendar and move it over to your website. So what we're going to do is, underneath My Calendars on the left hand side, you'll see you have your calendar name. Now what you want to do is hover over that calendar name and you'll get a little drop down arrow. Click that, and in the menu, go to Calendar Settings. Now what you want to do is, at the very top, you'll see a tab for Share This Calendar. Click that tab, and you want to make sure the calendar is public. If you don't click this button, when the calendar is placed on your website, the only person that will be able to see the calendar is you when you are logged into your Google account. So once you check this button, it's going to allow everybody that comes to your website to see your calendar. So make sure that button is checked and click Save. Now you want to go back into your calendar settings, and as you can see, you have a row right here that is for Embed This Calendar. You also have your calendar code. So what you want to do is right click inside this box, go to Select All, and copy. Now you want to go into your Now You Know Central Documents and find the document or page that you would like to add this calendar to. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and add it right to my main page. So what I'm going to do is click below all of my current content on the main page, and I'm going to go ahead and click this YouTube button right here. Now, even though this is a YouTube button, what this allows you to do is put in your own scripts into the web page. So for this Google Calendar, we have a embed code, which we'll just go ahead and paste into this box. Now I'll click OK. And as you can see, the calendar shows up in the document editor. Now all we need to do is apply the changes and refresh our website. There you go. You can see our Google Calendar is now displaying on the main page of our website. And once we edit this calendar in Google, every save that we make to this calendar is automatically going to change on our website. Makes your life so much easier. Hopefully you've learned something new from this video tutorial, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-695-8937.